Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about the main method in Java. The main method is a special method that acts as the entry point for your program. It's like a doorway that your program uses to start running. The main method has a specific syntax that you need to follow. Here's how the main method looks. Let's break it down step by step. Public static void. These are special keywords in Java that tell the computer how the method should behave. You don't need to worry too much about what they mean right now, because we're gonna discuss them later on in details. Just focus with me and just remember that every main method starts with these keywords. The main. This is the name of the method. It's like a special name that Java recognizes. It must be written exactly like this with a lowercase m and no spaces. String, args. These are the parameters of the main method. Parameters are like inputs that you can give to the method. In this case, the main method accepts an array of strings called args. The array is a collection of items, and in this case, the items are strings. Also, we're gonna discuss arrays and strings later on and parameters, so don't worry. Just follow me step by step and remember the syntax of the main method. These curly braces, you can see one for opening and one for closing. These curly braces encloses the body of the main method. The body is where you write the code that you want your program to execute. It's like a container for your instructions. So you can write your instructions and your code inside the main method enclosed by these two curly braces. Inside the main method, you can write any Java code that you want your program to run. So later on, in the next videos, we're gonna write all the Java codes inside the main method enclosed by these curly braces. As a summary, the main method is a special method in Java that serves as the starting point for your program. It has a specific syntax that includes keywords, a name, parameters, and body. You can write your program's instructions inside the main method to make your program do interesting things.